So my favorite website is YouTube. I use YouTube basically for entertainment purposes. I like watching YouTubers and watching podcasts. Some people publish physical videos of their podcasts. So I think it's easier for me to visually follow someone speaking as opposed to just listening to a podcast. This is a homepage. There's a lot of recommendations. I think it's really interesting just the type of videos they recommend me. Sometimes I feel like it has nothing to do with my interests, and then other times I learn about something completely new, or I find something that I actually am very interested in, like dog grooming. I never followed this before, but one day it was suggested to me on the homepage, and now it's like I am obsessed with dog grooming videos. Um, yeah, so most people use it to, like, for example, you have famous YouTubers, so they use it to just vent about topics that interest them or just create their own type of videos. Like, for example, weird DMs, something that this YouTuber has essentially created. It's a series that they create, and people are very interested in it. So I believe other people are definitely interested in YouTube just because it's a major source of. It's almost like Google. I mean, you can look up a tutorial on how to braid your hair or cook something, or you can find literally almost anything on YouTube. So I think other people will definitely be interested in using this platform, and already do use this platform pretty frequently.